Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best cholesterol test kits that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have KPI blood cholesterol and glucose test kit. This is the best cholesterol test kit that you will find on the market in 2021. The product features a limited lifetime warranty to ensure that any inconveniences are covered by the manufacturer in case they come up after purchase. Additionally, this is a cholesterol tester that features a large and easy-to-read LCD. Moreover, it has an ergonomic grip that allows you to easily hold the tester single-handedly. It can screen lipid profiles including triglycerides, total cholesterol, and HDL. However, you are advised to use this product right after waking up. Additionally, you should rest assured that it delivers accurate and consistent results. Moving on at number 4, we have Curo G6S Glucose Bluetooth Home Test Kit. This is a smart blood sugar test kit that is compatible with a wide range of devices. The unit has built-in Bluetooth that allows for elementary connectivity and control with compatible devices. In addition to this, it has a larger backlit screen display for easy reading of the results. Furthermore, the product is highly reliable and efficient as it provides the results in just 5 seconds. Other than this, it can store up to 365 readings with both time and date. This allows you to monitor the process and, therefore, a great option that will suit you. It has a sleek, compact design for portability and storage. At number 3, we have SDBIO Blood Cholesterol Test Home Kit. This is a cholesterol meter that has a combination of the solid phase technology and enzymatic methodology. The combination makes it possible for the tester to measure TG, TC, and LDL. One of the best things about it is that it is clinically tested and approved by professionals who have used it to measure lipid levels on whole blood specimens. Furthermore, its test strip's convenience has been heightened by enhancing storage at room temperatures. This is for individual packages, making it ideal for home use. The results of this product are fast generated with 3 minutes of testing, and there is an easy countdown timer to show that. Additionally, you will love the compact size of this product as it is small enough for you to hold it comfortably with a single hand. At number 2, we have Cyyz Cholesterol Monitor. Here is a cholesterol test kit that gives you accurate results like those of the laboratory. Hence, it helps you to maintain the right cholesterol levels within a short while. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it is easy to use. Additionally, it generates results quickly, saving you a lot of time. You will also appreciate its power-saving mode that ensures that the item cannot be turned off automatically within 5 minutes. Hence, you cannot easily lose data when using this tester. It also comes with a huge memory that stores 200 test results. And finally at number 1, Easy Touch Cholesterol Monitor. Manual calibration causes measurement disorders in cholesterol test kits. When using this cholesterol tester, the issue of measurement disorder has been eliminated through the built-in calibration intelligent identification system. Hence you gain the ability to enjoy accurate free mode. Besides, within 6 seconds, this kit will give you results for uric acid and blood sugar tests. Nonetheless, cholesterol dialysis tests take more time, but within 150 seconds, you will have your accurate results. It also allows you to access 300 sets of measurement records, implying that it has large memory storage than most cholesterol test kits available on the market. Another thing that you will love about this cholesterol test kit is the fact that its display is easy to read. Mainly, this is facilitated by the large screen, clear display detection value and the thicker font it features. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.